Okay, driving this 98 Land Rover Discovery 1. I've got an exhaust leak. I figured you'd be able to hear it from the inside as I'm accelerating, so I'm going to go ahead and accelerate it and be quiet just for a moment, and then I'll accelerate. So that's from the inside of the cab. When I park this and get ready to replace the exhaust gaskets, it's the downflow gasket from the manifold to the downpipe. So anyway, I'll be doing that here in just a little bit. Again, there's the miss or the exhaust leak.